Hello, my name is Dr. Elvis Rodrigues. I'm in Year 10 in Wellington International School in Dubai. Next slide, please. So about my drone. So my drone is designed to be a search and rescue drone and created to save a lot of lives. The reason that I have taken this path is because of the increasing number of tornadoes and tsunamis and earthquakes, etc., there is chance for people to get trapped under the falling debris. So I have created my drone to try and help rescuers get an easier way of communicating with the people and trying to save more lives. So the frame is a hexacopter with 6 rotors, and I've designed this because in a situation of falling debris, the drone can get hit or damaged. So the hexacopter can still fly or hover even if 2 of its rotors are down, and can still have a chance of completing the mission, which makes it really practical for this use. So a thermal imaging camera is connected to the base that detects people trapped under the rubble. It has artificial intelligence, and the victim's body dimensions are uploaded to the interface. It cross-references the data with the camera to find survivors. Next slide, please. So basically, this is about my drone. So you have the solar panel, and you have LED lights as seen in the front view, and you have the 6 rotors, and I've made them equal length apart, so for total stability. So if you look at the right-hand side view, you can see the camera connected to the 2 rectangles that are holding the camera, and this is specifically used because the screws help the camera rotate 180 degrees. And this is practical because when it's flying, it can look wherever it wants. The rotor turns, and that helps it look at 360 degrees. Now, if you look at the left-hand side view, you can see the other 3 parts, and you can see the landing view better. And I'm going to talk about this more in the next slide. Next slide, please. So this is about the thermal imaging camera. So you can see the sphere, and that helps it rotate better. And I've added the paraboloids, as you can see in the bottom right. Those are the cone-shaped things. And that helps it to decrease the air resistance. Because in a situation where it could be totally windy because of the decreasing and the changing wind speeds because of the different heights of the buildings, this is going to help it stay stable. So the solar panel is added as demand for too many batteries will require the excessive mining of lithium, which has harmful effects on the environment. This lithium can destroy animals' habitat and can even kill animals because people destroy the habitat without knowing the habitat of the animals. It could be in deserts, it could be in landmines, and it could be frogs or even large mammals that stay there. So I have the LED lights, and this is to save energy because if you use normal lights, it takes more energy per second, and this is not helpful. And the LED light will aid the people controlling the drone to see in dark or dusty conditions. Now the rotor has 8 blades, and this is carbon fiber, and I've specially designed it to be carbon fiber because carbon fiber cuts through wind better, meaning that it transfers most of the energy from the wind into helping us thrust or propel. Thank you.